Hey guys, it's Kirby. Today we are gonna do all the maps easy to crazy, which is booming. And we're gonna do the VIP server solo, so it can be more challenging for me. So let's just get in the video. Alright, let's go to the elevator. I have that. You know, it costs me under 50. There's so many gems in there. I have to spend it on something. Oh, this is really easy. Watch me do it. Oh, that was. It's just really easy. I think they removed the gate. Or it wasn't there. I think they removed the gate. I mean the fence. This is like low detail. Is this like it's like high this is high detail. So this is really big. It'll take a long time if you did FE2. Soon I'm gonna make a video and then do a G90 dash video of me making my own one. I'm halfway done with it, and I'm gonna make a video of doing it. So you can check that out in a few days because I'm not done with it yet. So let's get back in here. So I'm like a pro on Fluskit, on FA2 and Fluskit too. I'm just like a Fluskit. I'm really fast. I kind of look cool. I'm really cool and cool. Get it? I said cool 2 times. Oh, this is really hard for people. People die at this point. Not me. Oh, I'm almost glitched out. Oh. I'm actually doing it. While it's Savannah, oh shoot. This is really hard for people who ever did this and only one person. This is really hard for people. Just repeating that. Okay. Oh shoot. Oh. I gotta do this. It's really hard. People say this is really hard. Lots of one is really hard if you do it in really one time. But I couldn't. Bro, that was so fast that I actually did it. Oh shoot, I almost fell. Oh. Okay, this is really hard for people. I gotta go into serious mode. Ah! Look, I just fell. That was something that I just fell. That's what I was expecting. Alright, let's just get in the next map. I like this amount because it looks really cool. Oh my god, this is really hard for people who ever go on solo. Even for me, I go. Oh shoot! Come on! Alright. Alright. Alright, got it. Now we go back. Oh shoot! This is really hard. When you go back, it's really. Yay! If you hear that, we're watching FH2 TV. So. Watch this. Oh, I just missed. Hold on, watch this. Oh! Oh! Oh, I did it. Oh, shoot. I'm about to die. Oh, I'm definitely dead. Oh, where did I go? I forgot. Oh, wait. I think we go up here. No. Oh! I didn't see that. How am I gonna do this? This is like lava tower music. Okay, don't film me. Wish me luck, I did. Why do I still kind of suck at? I still kind of suck at FE2. Castle. I need to practice more after this video. And make my geometry dash. I have gaming tasks, and I kind of remember them. Only a few. Just okay. Oh no. Why is all the water already rising? Why does this have to game have to be mean to me? Well, never mind about that. Alright, let's go. Alright. I have to go to different places to get buttons from every. Hey, you want? So I'm not gonna get these buttons. I'm not gonna get those buttons. You wanna know a glitch or a hack? Oh, frick, I just fell. Watch this. So you just stay here and you just don't press that button. You just wait until that one rises, and you just go right here. If everybody knows this already, just link me, just comment in the below, like this, and you go faster or not, and then you, what happened? Did Crazy Bucks just remove that shortcut so I can just die? Why? I thought, okay, nobody do that because Crazy Bucks removed that shortcut or glitch. Just don't do it. Cause I love Poisonous Valley. It's really my favorite. I don't know why they play it too easy. People say this is kind of like this. They say this difficulty is normal. I wish Crazy Bucks should add normal. The difficulty to easy to normal. Oh shit. It's really hard. People say this is really hard. Just watch me. You go all the way from there and you just do it. Of course, I just fell. No. Oh, watch this. No, I'm gonna die. Oh shit. Why am I so dumb? Why am I so dumb? I'm gonna die. I'm dead. Already? Already? Why does it have to be already? Ugh. I never knew that Poison's thing was behind me. Alright, since I'm done with this easy thing, I'm just gonna go lock into Insane and try Pro lock. Since I'm a pro. Well, not. Oh, shoot. No, this is definitely bad. This is definitely not really I wanted. With me into this, I'm not in. I'm not in. I'm not in. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh shoot, I'm dead. Yes, I knew it. I was dead. Please be something really good. Lost Desert? Alright. I can choose this. I guess I can choose. Or maybe not. Because it's insane. I wish I can go to a Blue Moon because I went to FEC and tried it. But I did it with cheat. So it can be much easier. To crazy, to insane, or normal. Jump? Okay, that was, people say that was a really long jump and it fell. Oh, this is really insane. People say they fell on this part. Oh, it's really easy for me because I already made it. Oh shoot, already? That's gonna be close. I'm really a fast. I'm faster than everybody. I'm faster than everybody than ever. Oh, this is really hard. I gotta go fast. Serious mode. I definitely freaking hate this part. I'm gonna go serious mode. The lava's already rising, so I gotta go into serious mode. That's why. It is getting, how is it going really fast? Boy, react. Yes! Crazy. Oh, shoot. This is gonna be really bad. Oh, shoot. I hate this now. I hate this. Come on, did I press the button? Oh, shoot. I'm gonna. Ah! Jesus, I fell. That was really hard to do. Shoot. Lock it. Finally. Come on, I slipped it and I fell. Oh, shoot. Crazy Blocks removed it to the water to go slow, and I hate this map because it goes. Crazy Blocks removed it to go faster.
You're going to Daddy's house, right?
Mhm. Oh, it goes faster now. I thought Crazy Blocks removed it. This is actually really hard to do in solo. You have to go all the way from here, and then you have to go back up there on top. Oh shoot! Oh no, I'm definitely dead. Why does this day have to come? No, I'm dead. Why does this day have to come? Oh shoot! No! Oh frick! I just messed up. No. Oh shoot! I'm dead. That's why what happened. This is what happens when people do on solo. Gloomy Manor. Oh shoot! What did I have to do? Solo. I had to do it just because for a video. I love doing videos so I can get 1,000,000 subscribers. And then people would love me. But just like Elite Craft Gaming. He's not 1,000,000. Well, I still like him. He does Roblox vid on his stream. If you guys want to join my Discord server, come now. It's Chris. It's the same name. It's the same name as my Roblox account. So whoever wants it, but still, it's still like, it's like the photo is like the Discord server the face. So it's orange. Oh shoot! I'm gonna make it. Yeah. This is really hard. Oh shoot! I'm definitely dead. This is really hard for people to do like this game. Oh, watch this, guys. Watch this. Crazy Blocks didn't remove this shot. Oh shoot! Yeah, I'm dead. Come on. Come on. Oh, frick already? Oh! Oh, boy. You know your boy's too good. I thought I would die for a second. Oh, shit. I'm gonna die already. Because it's gonna rise on me now. It's gonna rise already. Because I'm... Oh, shoot. I didn't see that coming right to me. Oh, frick. Oh, no. No. I'm not doing this. This is bad. No. This is really bad to do. Don't do this, guys. Or whoever wants to do it, just do it. I hate it when people do this. I hate when people do this on solo. I don't want people... That's what happens when you go right there. Right at that tippity top box. 20 turns. Oh. This part would be good. Or shoot. Come on. Okay, press. Alright. This is rude. Oh shoot, I gotta make it. I'm definitely dead. Why am I so slow? Oh shoot, I'm dead. Ugh. Frick. Sinking ship. Oh shit. I gotta do this extremely fast. I hate it when I go on solo. When I invite one friend, I'll invite some friends to my VIP server so we can like pros on this game. Pros are really good. Crazy Blocks is definitely good. He made this game and he made some maps like this. Oh shoot, it's already rising. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No. Oh shoot. Really close. Oh, already? Wait. I am done making this video. I'm gonna do only like 5 more, and then I'm just done. Oh shoot, I just fell. No, I'm dead. Ah. Oh. Why is this game how to be rude to me? Lost Desert again. This is easy. Watch this. Oh, that was really good. That was a really good shortcut. Whoever knows that. That's the shortcut I always do, but sometimes I fail. I try to do it fast to just go to the next area. Alright. Exactly, this is really hard. This part. You just stop right there and it's simple. Like I always do. I do that all the way. Oh shoot, I'm gonna die already. Why is it sounding rising? Why am I so slow? I did. Got it. This is gonna get insane. Seriously, now. Oh frick, I just moved. This thing. Oh, seriously. Man, we did it. Oh, we're going to crazy mode again. Oh, frick. This is not good. Not again. Oh, shoot. Finally. Oh, exactly what this or you expect. I don't think we're flicking up. I think if you beat Finite Ruins, I think you increase the... Oh, frick, I just fell. No, I just fell. Well, bye-bye. Oh, I'm going down. Alright, this is gonna be our last insane. And it's the end of the video. I hate this. I hate this day. It's because it's in the morning. I'm in the morning. I think I woke up like 1 hour ago. I freaking just... Oh my god. I'm definitely dead. No, I'm dead. Come on. This game has to be rude to me. Already? Oh, shoot. I almost died that way. Come on, I gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Oh, shoot. I'm gonna fall. No. Well, guys, I'm gonna have to end the video there. Hope you enjoyed that. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Goodbye.